The Dexter K71-655-00 Kit is designed to fit axles with a spacing of 35 inches and supports loads of up to 8,000 pounds, making it perfect for heavier vehicles. This kit includes 26-inch double I-springs suitable for tandem axles, ensuring enhanced stability and smooth operation. One of the standout features of this product is its Easy Flex equalizer, which offers an innovative suspension design with a resilient rubber core for optimal dampening and long fatigue life. The system is engineered to maintain axle equalization, providing a smooth ride over uneven terrain by absorbing road shocks before they affect the trailer frame. Installation is straightforward, as it retrofits to existing leaf spring axles without the need for welding, grinding, or cutting, while maintaining the trailer's original ride height. Robust components like standard grease zerks, wet bolts, bronze bushings, and heavy-duty shackle links ensure durability and easy maintenance.